How you doing, guys? Back again, another video on an alternator today. We bought from DC Power in the United States of America, and basically I'm just gonna have a quick unboxing video and have a review, and because I obviously don't see many of these videos around, and see how we go. Nothing too fancy here. Fucking send it. Box inside of a box, I'll take it. Drift HQ. Nice looking sticker. Nice looking 2J you got there. DC Power alternators on it. And we got fan off fried. Be nice if I live in the States, but I don't. There you go. Anyway. It's like I said, I don't make this stuff in Australia, but oh well. It is what it is. From here. Obviously billet, I think it's custom made from the States. Because no one in Australia wants to know what's going on. Special knife ever bought. Best fish cooking knife ever. Alright. Good packing. So what we got another sticker. High output alternators by DC Power Engineering. We got what's in here? Adapter plug, copy, 2i alternator to standard Bosch 2-pin, it's not too bad. You need that, there you go. And we got oof. See what we got in the box. So we got Rx7 alternator, FD, apparently FD, the pulley. I might have to change the pulleys, but unfortunately, they're making the other one fit. Yeah, billet front cover. Made in the US. Custom billet brackets to fit. It's not too bad. Positive paste. In the correct position, so when the alternator sits about there, it's pointing backwards, which is good. So for the top and down, looks like it's got some sort of resistance in there, can't really tell, but don't know what type of core this is. It looks like a generic core, but hey, if it works, it works. Doesn't work, it doesn't work. Definitely low resistance to understand for brand new. It's like I've got to change that pulley butt, unfortunately, but oh well. And hopefully my 5 one fits. Besides that, DC Power Engineering alternator, 180 amp MX5, or Rx7, should fit my MX5. But yeah, it's nice to know you can actually buy this sort of shit, but fucking not fucking cheap, I'll give you that. Anyway, cheers guys. Subscribe if you like to subscribe, like if you like the video. I might do a video installing on the car, we'll see, but we'll find out. Anyway, cheers, thank you, let me go, peace out.